everyone, welcome to Learn and Shine. In this video, we are going to learn about Alwan colors. Ahdar, green. Let's repeat. Ahdar, green. Ahmar, red. Let's repeat. Ahmar, red. Abiyad, white. Let's repeat. Abiyad, white. Azrak, blue. Let's repeat. Azrak, blue. Asfar, yellow. Let's repeat. Asfar, yellow. Aswad, black. Let's repeat. Aswad, black. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, click on the like button, subscribe to my channel, click on the bell icon for further notifications, and share it with your friends. Take care. Thank you.